Changing your Wix website into a PDF is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can change your Wix website into a PDF. So the process is pretty simple. You just have to be at your Google and there you have to search for Wix. And then you have to go to wix.com. Now after going to the Wix website, you simply have to log in. After logging in, you will start seeing the dashboard. This is how it should look. Now here you simply have to click on this edit site and it will open up the Wix website editor. It will take some time to load. After it is loaded, you simply have to do is you just have to change it to the preview mode. So how can you do that? In order to do that, as you guys can see, this is the Wix website editor. You just have to click on this preview mode and it will open up the preview mode. Now, in order to make it a print out of it, you simply have to right click on it and then you have to click on this print. And afterwards, as you guys can see, this is how it should be. You just have to change it to save as PDF. And there you go. You can easily change or save this as a PDF. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.